ride on Doha going to my back home. Now we are here in the street. I came from Doha Festival City and I ride with our transport. Well, today is very nice weather. As you can see, the sky is blue and has a cloudy days. In Doha, the temperature is about 21 degree down. Whereas yesterday, a huge rain is happening, and I was short a bit for a filming yesterday at noon time. So I used to film live streaming on my YT channel, and it's very nice weather now. This is the sign that the weather condition is lower down in Doha. The sky is very clear. This looks like I'm in the Philippines. As you can see, the sky. Wow, what an amazing sky, a blue sky. It's a very nice weather. If you walk around the street, you cannot feel something hit down the road. I'm here approaching that Gulf intersection, which have been a lot of construction is going on in Doha on the main road in the street. This, I think so. This is the express road that connecting Doha Road, express road connecting going to Al Sadd. Now every day this is my daily routine, and yeah, I'm passing now Doha complex. Yes, this is now the main road, and here we go. Now I'm after the Gulf Mall. I'm now here. Yeah, have you seen that? That is the metro station that is ongoing, still constructing. I think that is red, green line or blue line. And this is Al Rayyan village. A lot of houses, villages. Yeah, Al Rayyan village. You see the Doha, it's very clear, blue sky, and if you are on outside, even you are walking, you cannot feel the heat. It's like it's not very cold, but if you go with t-shirts, ripped jeans, you will never feel the hot, because as yesterday starting to rain. So this is now the sign of winter season in Doha, Qatar. Yeah, so I'm nearly approaching on Wyndham Hotel. Yes, that is the Wyndham Hotel, as you can see. Yes. Now this is my transport. This is my daily routine. Every day, sometimes we're on night shift. Today, I came from night shift. I came from work in the festival city. Going home. My duty is finished. Now another metro station. We are approaching a metro station nearby Hamad Hospital. This is the biggest hospital in Doha. Yes, as you can see, that one, that is another metro station, which is very near to Hamad Hospital. And this is Lulu. We are going here, and this is the street of Yellow Bill going forward to Yellow Bill. This is the 68 hotel. I don't know what it means 68. I think 68 is the rate. 68 or 89. I'm confused, but I will see. I will review further information about this hotel soon. I have some content also related to my some of the hotel that I've been staying in, and on my previous blog, and hope you like some of my vlog here in Doha. And here we go, we are now approaching to yellow building, and some of my colleague and workmate is staying in the yellow building. Yeah, here we go. Now here we are now approaching to yellow building. So tall, not tall, it's like a moderate building here, but continuously on growing building here, and some are demolished and they will uh, build another newly buildings for, because some of the old building they are demolishing like anything. Yeah, this is a new building. I think it's still not occupied yet, but I heard some of my colleges are taking a flat of this. It's a newly building. Yeah, this is a main food center. If you want, this is like our Star store in the Philippines, but in here in Qatar, we're calling it rather bakala. Bakala means like a grocery, mini grocery stores that you can buy something immediate what you need in daily home basis. Yeah. Oh, this is now the yellow building. Yes, this is now the yellow building. Some under construction here, some water leakage in the street. I saw it this morning. I think the constructing body. Yes, this is a retouch building, which we also known as yellow building. I don't know what is called yellow building. Yeah, if it's because of yellow something and the color of this building. Yeah, here we go. One of my colleague named Dudy will goes down here. Yes. Yeah, Dudy is going down. Hey, Dudy, thanks. Yes. And Donato also. Some of the building here is under still construction, but well, yes, we are passing through Bacala, and now we're approaching a school. I think this school is still not open, but in my nearby month, or I don't know, it will be opening soon. Yes, this is the school, and after the school there is a big mosque where Muslim brothers are praying here. Yes, it's a big mosque. I think 3-story, and there's also under. Yes, now we are going down. This is my home in Doha. I will walk through now, and my colleague in other council also is with me. Yes, now this is my home, my second home sweet home in Doha, Qatar. Thank you for watching.